the most dangerous shipping lanes in the world. 2 vessels currently hijacked are Malaysian. The pirates are now holding 65 Malaysians hostage. Subina Shrestha has this report from Kuala Lumpur.
54-year-old Roshna Abu Bakhtar has had 2 restless weeks. Ever since she heard that her 27-year-old son, Imran Amir, was taken hostage by Somali pirates, Roshna can neither sleep nor eat.
How do you stay patient as a mother? We can't see him in person. He can tell us on the phone that he's fine. But in my heart as a mother, I can't describe how upset I feel.
Imran Amir was one of the 65 Malaysian seamen taken hostage by Somali pirates. On August 29th, his ship carrying petrochemicals was passing through the Gulf of Aden that links the Red Sea to the Indian Ocean. Pirates from Somalia hijacked his ship with 36 Malaysian and 5 Filipinos. They were taken to join hostages on a second Malaysian ship, seized on August 19th. The pirates are demanding a ransom of $3 million to release these 2 ships.
It's been 2 weeks since the last Malaysian vessel was hijacked by Somali pirates. Now the anxious relatives want the government to play a more proactive role in securing the release of the hostages.
The Malaysian Armed Forces is not interfering into the process of negotiation. The commercial negotiation will continue, and this is the best approach. Any offensive action perhaps would definitely jeopardize the negotiation.
This is the Gulf of Aden. Some 22,000 ships pass through this waterway every year. For years, Somali pirates have been attacking ships, but more recently, they've become more frequent. Since the end of July, the pirates armed with automatic weapons have hijacked 11 vessels and have taken 196 people hostage. The International Maritime Bureau, which intercepts distress signals of vessels, has recorded 34 attacks this year.
We have a unique situation in Somalia because there is no effective national government. The only assets which are available are the naval units of the coalition navies which are operating off the Horn of Africa. And they are the only ones who can take action and bring this piracy under control.
In June, the UN passed a resolution authorizing member states to enter Somali territorial water to deter these attacks. But with Somalia remaining in a state of anarchy, the attacks continue, with the pirates acting with apparent impunity. Subina Shrestha, Al Jazeera, Kuala Lumpur.